In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. It is often said that to make a relationship with the people, you do need excuse me, you do need to have plenty of money. Either or you should be having a good public office. So that is the reason people will respect you and the people will come closer to you. It is quite okay. Or it is also said that if somebody sees some sort of interest, a benefit in making a relationship with you, in continuing a relationship with you, then only she will like to come closer to you. I do not disagree with any of these three. Rather, I do agree, but at the same time, I have seen some of the people they don't have any of these things, yet they people do have a kind of relationship, a kind of social relationship, even sometimes with the good people, and even sometimes with the people of relatively or considerably better social status. I have seen this, and that is why I am of the view that although all of those three things are okay and necessary to make a relationship, to continue a relationship in the society with a good number of people, but dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, the fourth thing is also there. It cannot be excluded and it cannot be overlooked as well. If at all a person is not having one of the three things, I think so it is okay, no problem with it, but at least we should be having one thing which does not concern with the money, with the influence, the public office, or any other benefit we can give to the people. And this fourth is that even if at all we are quite a commoner, I think so we need to have a positive mental attitude, rather a very good positive mental attitude. We can compensate the absence of all those three things with just one thing, and this one thing is called a positive thinking. Positive thinking actually, on the one hand, keeps a person somewhat happy and somewhat relaxed. On the other hand, it helps us a lot in doing the things which are necessary for the life, and even the things which are meant to make a relationship with the people, which are meant to continue the relationship with the people. So that is why I am of the view that we should try to get closer to the people as and when does the opportunity arise, not unnecessarily, not without a reason, not where it does not, where our effort are not taken positively. I am of the view that we should be doing whatever good we can to the people, and having this thought, first of all we must be very positive and very totally positive toward the people on the one hand, and then we should try to do the good, a very little amount of it. I am not suggesting that we should be making the big sacrifices to please the people, as it is not feasible, as it is not sustainable. But what is feasible is that we should be having the very good thoughts about the people on the one hand, and every time we are given a kind of opportunity, we should try to do a very little amount of good thing, a very little amount of positive gesture towards them, and should be very careful and very cautious that even in their absence we never talk about them, we never do anything which is wrong actually, which is unethically, and which will make them annoyed. I am of the view that despite all this, that somebody is not having a good resources, I am of the view that she can establish a kind of acquaintances with some of the people who are better as far their social status is concerned, as far their financial status is concerned. So it is not impossibly difficult either to make an acquaintances with the people in the society, if at all somebody is not having enough amount of money, enough amount of influence, or the other things. I don't say, I never said that those things does not matter and are unimportant. Never. These things are quite important. But at the same time, out of the four, at least we do have one thing in our hand, and if at all we do play one thing very well, I am of the view that it will improve, and it will improve a lot, and the situation will keep improving with the passage of time. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, this is all what is my take on the subject, and never lose the hope, never ever excuse me, think that you cannot make the relationship with the people only because you are not wealthy, only because you don't hold a public office, only because you are not influential, only because you are not considered a person of good social status. Keeping aside all of those things, if at all the kind of cords somebody is carrying, I think so that if at all these cords are played well, I think it will bring result, and it will bring the positive result. It will improve our lives, and it will improve our lives a lot actually. So nothing is impossible. Maybe many of the things which we do think that these are impossible, as a matter of fact those things are not impossible at all, and certain other things which are either considered impossibly difficult or considered very difficult, I think so none of those things, neither those things are impossibly difficult nor very difficult. It is only the matter of our imagination. It is the only matter of how we think. It is the matter of only how we behave, and it is a matter of only what are our attitudes, how our attitude. It is our attitude whether which will determine where we are heading, what we are going to do. Thank you. Jazakallah.